Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, David Roik. Today I want to take us through on a brief way you can optimize your Fiverr account. So it's a quick hack. So this is a quick hack you can do on your Fiverr account. So now I've been on Fiverr for long and since 2019, and I've been using Fiverr for a lot of service I've been rendering because I'm not a freelancer that renders just one service, so I render different services. Today I want to take us through on how to uh, you know optimize your account even if your account has been ranked. I will be doing an hack on how to increase your impression that is going low. Now I want to use this account as an example. This is one of my gig. This is one of my accounts. So my gig is not that ranking. It has low impression. You can see the impression. It has low impression, low clicks. So they are not doing fine. So now I want to do this hack on this account, and also I would love if you can do that on your account as well. So now, the first thing I will have to do is turn on my incognito tab, the new incognito window. So I have to turn it on. Now, once I turn it on, I have to go on to Fiverr itself. So I have to go on to Fiverr. So I have to sign in on my incognito tab. So I have to make sure I sign into the account. So I will be signing into the account. Yeah, I'm in already. So now the first thing I have to do is go to my gig. So I have to go on to my gig. So I have to switch to selling. Then I have to go on to my gig. Now the gig I want to rank, I want the impression to increase is this. So I want to increase that. So I have to go and edit this gig. So I have to edit this gig. Now what I want to do in this gig is I'm going to copy one of my metadata. I have to copy one of my metadata to my search tag. So I have to replace one of my metadata on my search tag as well. So this is what I want to do presently. So I have to remove one of my tags. So I'm waiting for the meta tags to appear as well. So let me just, because I pick orders in this category, so I have to change that orders to legal consulting. So after changing to legal consulting, based on the gig I'm creating. So it's because we don't have the service type, so that's why I didn't change it, because we want to have the gig metadata. So this is one of the gig metadata we want to copy. So that's why we are trying to change what I picked, the category I picked when I was creating the gig. So I have to change it. So based on what the gig is all about. So this is why I'm changing this. So field of law. So I pick on legal research, and then the field of law, part of the mega gig metadata is said field of law. So I have to choose one. So we are filing for LLC, and LLC, we are doing LLC formation because of tax purpose. And what are the targeted countries? So any country that wants to open a business in the US is known to file for an LLC, either US or another country, so which is worldwide. So now I have to pick, I have to use one of these mega gig metadata in my search tags. So I have to edit one. So I have to remove one and edit it. So which one am I going to remove? So I'm going to remove. I think I'm going to remove LLC. I'll remove LLC and add in tax, because tax is one of our gig metadata. So I'm gonna click add tax. So now after I add tax, then I'm gonna save. Now immediately I save, I won't publish yet because I have to publish this gig. So I have to publish it, which is me publishing it means I have to save and preview it. So I have to, before I save and preview it, I have to go on my location. So I'm gonna change my location to Romanian. So after I change my location to Romania, I'll pick one of these location in Romanian. So for me to know if my VPN is on, I'll go on to wa.net to check if my location is on already, so that I can know if I'm good to go. Wa.net is not going through. Let me click on wa.com. So you can see I'm in the Romanian IP. So you pick any state in Romania for this, and once you are done with that, then you come to publish. So we are my incognito tab is in Romanian already. So I have to save and preview. So after I save and preview, now the next thing you have to do is, after publishing the gig and previewing it, so the first thing you have to do is, after 5 minutes, I have to refresh. So I have to do a refresh after 5 minutes of me publishing this. So I'm gonna wait 5 minutes. Then after 5 minutes, I'll wait for an hour again for me to refresh. Then another 1 hour for me to refresh again. So that's the time frame I'm gonna use in refreshing on this IP I put on the Romanian IP I put on. So I have to refresh it 3 times. 5 minutes after I publish the gig, 1 hour after, and then another 1 hour. So that's what I'm going to do. So the first 5 minutes, now I've published the gig. This is after 1 hour again. I'm going to refresh, and after 1 hour, I'll refresh again. So which means I'm left with 2 hours to refresh. So 1 hour interval. So this is what you are going to do as well on your own Fiverr account as well. So I have to do this 5 times in a day. So I should make sure I do this thing 5 times in a day. So every single day I must repeat this same thing 5 times. So now once I repeat it after 5 times, so I have to go and close the, after I've done the 5 times, I'll close the incognito tab. After closing the uh incognito tab, so on my normal browser, I will go ahead to remove, I'll go over to my normal browser and I'll return my VPN back to the location my account is before. And after I return it back to where my account is before, the location my account is before, then I have to go to the settings of my account. So probably after you've returned, this is, I'm still on incognito tab, but I'm trying to show the what I'm going to do when I return back to my normal browser. So if I want to close my normal incognito tab, I'll click on the cancel button. But I've not refreshed, I've not done it 5 times yet. So I just did the 5 minutes after the first 5 minutes. So I refresh, then I have to do it again after 1 hour. So I have to do it again after another 1 hour. So and I must do this thing 5 times in a day. So now after you have done it, after you've cancelled your incognito tab and you go on your account, you off your VPN, you're going to go on settings. And once you go on settings, you have to remove the locations, your account, the different location apart from the normal location you are using before. You have to remove your, so you have to go on security option. So once you go on security option, you can see I signed into my account Nigeria. So now I have to sign it out. So but this is, I'll not be signing it out on my incognito tab. So I have to go and sign it out after I have done it 5 times. So after you have to repeat this daily. You have to be doing this thing daily. You have to repeat it 5 times in every single day. Every single day you have to repeat the process. The process is not you editing the meta description, meta tags, but the refreshing. You have to refresh it 5 times in a day. So you have to refresh it 5 times in a day with the interval of the first 5 minutes, The second time you refresh it is 1 hour. You have to wait after 1 hour to refresh it again, and then again 1 hour. So and you have to repeat it 5 times in a day. So this is what you'll be doing on your account every single day. Every single day. When you want to refresh it, make sure you do that first. So then you are good to go with your account, and then you start receiving high impression and clicks on your account. So I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Dave Heroic. So if this works for you, don't kindly let me know in my comment section, so that we can know I can give you the next update. Bye.